Bengaluru ranks second in water wastage after Kolkata. As much as 49% of the water supplied to the city is lost in distribution. In fact, it is estimated that more than 50% of India's population does not have access to safe drinking water.
Hi everyone, my name is Aryan Singhal and I'm currently studying in grade 10 in NPS Indranagar. Every day we get to hear about water scarcity in Bangalore. Lakes drying up, borewells drying up, apartments running out of water. This, compared to the very little action being taken by the citizens, deeply affected me and inspired me to start Project Flow. I have chosen this name because I want taps in Bangalore to keep flowing and never run dry. My problem statement is, how can I motivate the residents of my apartment to start conserving water? This project is aligned with the UN SDG number 6, that is, clean water and sanitation.
After doing my customer interviews and talking to many people, I realized that most people are not even aware that they are wasting water. That was because most housing complexes in Bangalore do not meter the consumption of residents. Instead, they are charged a fixed rate. This makes people insensitive towards water wastage in their homes. As the old saying goes, you optimize only what you measure.
Originally, my idea was to sell smart meters individually to people, which would make them self motivated to conserve water. However, after talking to people, I realized that just self motivation isn't enough. So, I pivoted to apartment level metering and billing, which added a monetary incentive to conserve water. Later, as I started working on implementation of metering, and due to the COVID-19 lockdown, I realized that metering will take a really long time. That was when I pivoted to holding awareness sessions and creating a group of water warriors in the society. Moreover, I also explored the idea of aerators in addition to metering.
As part of the project, I have conducted an awareness session in the society, in which around 15 people joined. I received a lot of positive feedback from the participants. I have also formed a water conservation group in the society and successfully onboarded 15 water warriors who have promised to conserve water and spread awareness about the issue. After many discussions, I pitched my solutions to the management committee, and they have accepted my proposal for aerators and metering. At first, we will install aerators in every house. This will make people aware about the water conservation efforts being undertaken in the apartment, as well as get the momentum going till we are able to implement full-scale metering. With this project, I will be directly impacting 1,700 families of my apartment and saving almost 91 lakh liters of water per month, which is enough to meet the monthly requirements of almost 3,000 people. In the future, I hope to be able to expand this project to the whole of Bangalore and create an even bigger impact.
I feel that the Future Leaders program has greatly impacted me as a leader, as a human being in fact. I got the opportunity to meet many new people and this has been a very enriching experience for me. I also learned to adapt with different situations, such as the COVID-19 lockdown. My personality was such that I was not very comfortable talking to strangers or having long conversations with them. As part of the research and due diligence required for the project work, I had to get out of this comfort zone. This project also helped me explore various aspects of project planning, such as presentations and financing, all of which are essential life skills. I request everyone present here to join me in this cause and become a water warrior. A pandemic may come and go, but the water crisis is here to stay. Thank you.